let's actually, Mario, if you don't mind, we'll start out with Facebook.
Okay.
And we'll talk about, we've been focusing a little bit on the 10-minute chart of this and for most of the candles that we're talking about. But again, look, obviously the whole point of these meetings is to not only find good ideas, but then take those good ideas into the open and actually trade them, convert a trading plan into trades that you ultimately have trade management in. And, we're constantly talking about the inside candles. And, we had inside here. And again, this is on the 10-minute chart. You could drop to whatever time you want to be looking at. Um, inside that leads to $1.50. Pull back, get another inside candle here that leads to another $1.25. Another inside candle here that leads to 75 cents to end the day. Not really much thought to that. The only thought that you might have there is it a little bit overextended? But remember, we keep saying about stocks having rallies and where they're coming from prior to the rally starting. This is an important distinction to make. These 2 days are coming out of a 4-day consolidation, basically. So you had every reason in the world to expect follow through. Plus, if you break it down to what we're talking about every day about the hourly candle and change from the open and whatnot. In my opinion, right now, that inside candle breakout is a much cleaner trade to manage the risk using the previous candle as a area to manage the risk, as well as finding entries that you could really be comfortable with and have conviction in. So if you're not watching those candles right now, whether it's a 5-minute, 10-minute, 15, you might get a little bit too wide of a candle to manage the risk, but you absolutely want to be taking advantage of some of these opportunities just based on that one signal. So it's the idea coming into the day and then the signal.